You got to treat your team. Those days are gone where you are the boss and you just tell people and they work for minimum wages. People have a lot of options today. People can become social media influencers and make money. You need to make it worth it for them. You need to treat your people like your influencers, like your affiliates, and like your partners. That's when they're going to respond better. And they're going to work on their own because their incentives are aligned to your incentives, right? You got to give your team the freedom to innovate. Right? You can't put hard line that you cannot do this, you cannot do that. Yes, you need to have some kind of safety framework that, well, we cannot do something that's too risky or illegal or something, right? But you need to give people the freedom to create another product, even though that product might outdo what you are doing today, because again, you need to be your own competitor, right? And that won't happen unless people have the freedom to create something, even if it goes against what you currently have.